Hello, everybody. It's your favorite guest port services agent here, Mr. Smiley Face, right here, funky fresh in the flesh. And I've got a new video for you. Hold on. Let me have my coffee. That's so good. Lately, I have been seeing a lot of people in the groups, Facebook groups, and internet groups, social media groups, asking about AARP gift cards. Now, when you purchase an AARP gift card, of course, everybody wants to buy them because you can purchase them at a discount. You don't get these. These are available at most grocery stores. I got this one at Kroger here in Galveston. But today, I want to show you guys how to purchase the AARP gift cards because nobody can seem to find them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some screen share. Mm-mm-mm. And if I can find it, I think it's here. Share screen. Okay. We're going to share that screen. All right. There it is. Okay. This is the AARP website. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to register with AARP. I believe anybody can register on the website and register for an AARP membership. Now, you don't have to be a specific age. I'm 52, so don't get it. Don't look over here and go, "Oh yeah, easy for you, old man." No, hey, calm down. I'm not that old. All right. So once you've signed in and you want to purchase your gift cards, let me see if I can go full screen. Boo 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 boo. Da 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 da. There we go. Okay, you don't want to look at my face anyway. So you've signed on to the AARP website, and what you want to do is you want to go to AARP rewards. As you can see, I've got some points there. So you'll click on the rewards. Let's see if I remember how to do this. Yep, there it is. And you are going to scroll down to, let's see here. Okay, gift cards. So it says save on discounted gift cards for purchase. This is from the original click of the rewards section here. Okay. Um, you go in there doesn't really do anything for you. I mean, you could go and check for other things like movie, TV, music, that kind of stuff. But today we're concerned about the gift cards. So far, I have saved $260 purchasing gift cards. I really haven't purchased a whole lot lately. I got to purchase some more. So you'll scroll down and it says save on discounted cards for purchase. You'll go there, you'll click see all rewards. Now, it'll take you to this screen where it says featured rewards, and you'll click skip to all rewards. And look right there, funky fresh in the flesh, right in front of you is the Carnival gift card. Excuse me. Now you see it says members only. So if you were to log on to the website and try to purchase this gift card, you wouldn't be able to because you're not a member. Now, as a member, you can do that. Now, I will go through it one more time just so that everybody can see, because I know everybody clicked on this, they weren't prepared to follow along. So what you would do is if this is unlocked right here, see that little lock right there? If this is unlocked, you can click on that gift card. When you comes, it says, congrats, you have access to this members only reward. Now, this is a digital gift card, which means you're going to receive an email with the card number and the PIN number. Okay. Let me go back to full screen so that way you guys can get a really good look at it. So this one is a $500 gift card, and I would only pay $450. So it's a 10% discount on the gift cards on AARP. It's going to ask you, this is a gift card for Carnival. Is this a cruise line you intend to purchase a gift card for today? You have to click yes. Okay. And then you click confirm. Now it tells you this is a premium item. Premium items have an increased purchase limit of up to 25 items per month. Yes, that means that you can purchase up to 25 gift cards per month. Okay. Now, don't be cheating and sharing this with everybody. Okay. So then once you click on that 450, that $500 gift card, you would add it to your cart. Bing. And then once you've added to your cart, you'll see that there's also available a $100 gift card for $90. I'll show you where you can find that one as well. Um, you would either view your cart or continue shopping. Um, we'll go ahead and view the cart. And now it tells you there's $450 is what you need to pay. You saved $50. And then, of course, you would go through and verify your account to purchase. So I'm going to clear the cart and I'm going to go back to rewards so we can go and check for the. Remember, once you click on rewards, you're going to scroll down to featured rewards, skip to all rewards, and then look, there is the Carnival gift card there. There's the $500 gift card, and down here is the $100. Those are the only two denominations that you can purchase in gift cards for Carnival. You can't buy like a $10 or $50 or $250. They only have a $500 gift card and a $100 gift card. So that is, we'll go through it one more time for everybody that wasn't here. Let me try to keep this one short. So let me go back to full screen. So you click back to, I'm going to click back to the home page. Okay, I'm already signed in. It says, hi, Anthony. When you get to the web page and you've enrolled, you go to membership and benefits. And now right here, if you haven't purchased anything, it will say rewards. I have already purchased, so it has my points in there. You'll click on rewards. You'll scroll down. Don't do this one because this is to redeem your points if you have any. You're going to go down to discounted cards for purchase, see all rewards, and then it's going to show you a screen that says featured rewards. So you'll skip to all, and then there you go. You can actually even type in Carnival, and it'll bring up both gift cards. So that way, if you don't want to go hunting for the $100 one, you can have both of them right there. All right. So as you can see, super easy to do, but you have to sign up for an AARP membership first before you can do this. Let me go ahead and remove that. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, or you can message me on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on TikTok. There'll be a lot more content coming in, and I just got to find time. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I hope that this helped you guys out. Hopefully you'll share it with others so that way they can purchase gift cards at a discount. You're saving 10%, and on a $1,000 cruise, you're saving $100. You put that in the casino and spend some time in the casino and increase your casino rewards so that way you'll get some casino bookings. Or you can just save the money. It's up to you. Maybe go out and buy yourself a latte or something. So thank you for watching. I am Mr. Smiley Face, and I am here to help you navigate the cruising world with Carnival.